The sons of Diti and the demons transformed Prahlad Maharaj, who was born in an Asura family, into a calf, and they extracted various kinds of liquor and beer, which they put into a pot made of iron. The demons also have their own types of beverages in the form of liquors and beers, just as the demigods use soma rasa for their drinking purposes. The demons born of Diti take great pleasure in drinking wine and beer. Even today, people of demoniac nature are very much addicted to liquor and beer. The name of Prahlad Maharaj is very significant in this connection. Because Prahlad Maharaj was born in a family of demons, as the son of Hiranyakashipu, by his mercy the demons were and still are able to have their drinks in the form of wine and beer. The word aya, iron, is very significant. Whereas the nectarian soma was put in a golden pot, the liquors and beers were put in an iron pot. Because the liquor and beer are inferior, they are placed in an iron pot, and because somarasa is superior, it is placed in a golden pot.